today you're here with Will. So, step 1. Always make sure that your gun is on safety. Step 2. Always point the gun at the ground even if you know it is not loaded. Step 3. If you're aiming at something, then that means you're going to shoot it. So don't aim it at a person unless you have the intent to shoot them. Step 4. What is step 4? If you're loading a 22 LR, specifically this pistol, it goes in with this facing up. Extra some safety. And push that in until it clicks. Then you want to click this button. So put that there. Then once you point it up, your finger should not be on the trigger yet. Turn it off of safety. Put your hand on the bottom, grip it where the soft point is, and pull the trigger slow. Because if you pull it fast, it's going to jerk. After that, I'm going to turn it back on safety. Pull out your magazine. Check, nothing's here. No guns in there. It's on safety. Put your magazine back in. Down. And half shooting.